right. This one's tricky here. I'm not sure, I might even be talking about somebody who is alive here, I'm not sure, but I have somebody talking about a woman who's had 2 or 3 strokes, and they're talking because it's like, she's like the Energizer Bunny, and she's got 9 lives. It's like, she takes a licking, keeps on taking, she had pneumonia, she's in and out of the hospital. There might even be sugar with her.
That's her.
Oh, this is you?
Yeah.
You've had the strokes, or is it?
You've had at least one.
I've had one.
Okay.
Sugar.
And you have the sugar?
And I have the sugar.
Okay. Okay. And so I'm like, I can't tell if I'm alive or dead here. Did you also have some breathing stuff going on?
She had pneumonia.
Oh, pneumonia? You had the pneumonia too?
Yeah.
All right, this is for you. Let me just figure out. Oh, okay. This is all working out here. Okay. I'm assuming you're looking for your son. Boy, he's making me work here. Okay. First of all, this is so quick, he doesn't see this coming either, correct? This is like boom, here today, gone tomorrow, really, really.
Right.
Okay. Whose birthday just passed around him?
His birthday's next
His
week.
birthday?
Is next week.
Next week? Okay, because he's talking about birthday stuff.
Yeah.
Is this the first or second birthday since he's passed? He hasn't been passed too long here.
Second birthday.
Who planted something? Did you plant a tree for him, or the flowers, or what's the planting stuff?
I have things in the house.
Around his ashes.
Around the ashes?
his ashes.
Okay.
Tell me he doesn't like them, because they're ugly, right?
Yeah.
He does, boy, he says, "Ma, if I was here, I would just shake you."
He would.
Yeah.
The night that he passed, I had talked to him probably 3 times that day. And what he wanted most out of life was to come home. He lived in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, okay.
And he wanted to come home really bad. But he's got a daughter and, doesn't want to rock that boat.
Disrupt the kid, right,
Yeah.
right.
But there is no one that I miss
More than him?
Anything. My daughter, she's the same way. She misses him. Everybody misses him. And he was a happy guy.
That's it with him. Funny, no offense. He's not worried about you. He's like, yeah, she'll be fine. He says, "Ma, you're the one that I'm going to shake." And he calls you Ma. It's not Mom, it's Ma.
Right.
He says, "I am right here with you." Who had the walker? Did you have a walker?
She does.
Okay. You're not using this anymore?
She should be.
Okay, because he's yelling about it. You should be using this. He does. Did you also have a fall?
Uh-huh.
Okay, because he started after he passes or before?
Today he had.
Oh, today?
Actually, today, yeah.
You are in so much trouble, young lady. He is just like, this is why he wants to shake you.
That's it. I'll tell you.
He's really, really concerned about the stairs. Do you have stairs at your house?
Yes.
Okay, he's like, if he could, he'd be giving you like a honey-do list. Okay, and he's also he's.
She does that.
Okay, good. You've taken over this? All right, because he's just like, you got to start taking care. He says, you're not as invincible as you think you are. Okay, and he says, stop being so stubborn. You need to watch your radio. Okay, because he's playing with the radio. Okay?
He did that before.
Did he do that before? Okay, all right. Keep watching that, okay? Actually, he's around Paxton, too.
He said hi, by the way. Paxton told me to
Paxton
tell
did?
Uncle Scott I said hi.
Okay, because he's been on Paxton lately too. Okay, what's interesting is Paxton can feel him in the back of his head, but your brother's being very, very careful. He doesn't want it. Paxton's very open, okay, and he doesn't want him getting too scared and overwhelmed about this. okay? But he's right there on him, and he's laughing, saying, oh man, you're gonna have your hands full, okay? Even though he's 11, right, because he's in my son's grade, he's already turning into that teenager, huh?
Yeah, big time,
Is he?
big time.
I keep Evan in a box, he's not allowed. So- But he's talking about the changes that's going on with Paxton right now. And he's like, oh my God, I can't believe this.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Did you have a mass for him or something go on in his name? Or what's the church stuff?
Yeah,
Okay, because that he loved that, he was there for that,
yeah.
okay? He does not want you feeling so alone. He says, you have to remember, I'm in your heart. I'm a piece of you as much as you're a piece of me. He says, I'm not leaving.
Yeah. I'm glad to hear that,
But
but
he's,
I want to hold him and hug him. you know?
that's the tough part. That's the tough part. I can't imagine losing a child, I don't care how old.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
Yeah. And he was young, 1941.
He's tough because he wants you to know that he's adjusted and he's feeling really good. Now, let me tell you something. First of all, it took him quite a little while to be adjusted. This was not okay with him, all right? He was really ticked off about this whole situation, all right? Again, it's so fast. I get him healthy. I don't, it's just like, no, it's not a car accident, right?
No, but he was a car dealer.
Oh, okay, 'cause I'm getting the cars, but I don't get, how does he pass? I'm getting pulled right up into his head. It's his heart? Okay, because I'm getting pulled up into his head. I think, I get almost like a head rush going on with him too. So that sometimes that's a heart thing as well, but he doesn't even see this coming. I mean, there's no pain, and he is just like, he's using some bad words, I gotta say, so I'm just trying to watch my language about his passing, okay? And it's funny, he does guilt pretty well too. He doesn't want to disappoint anybody,
Yeah.
especially you, okay?
No, he is one of the kindest, jolly people.
That's it. He's got a laugh.
Yeah,
When he's got that laugh that it's like, it's so hearty.
yeah. And he smiles all the time.
That's it.
You will not find a picture of anybody that doesn't have a picture of him smiling.
Yeah, that's
That's
how he still is. He said, it took me a little while, because he was pretty ticked off about this whole situation. But he says, you know what? I've gotten back into me now, and I'm okay. I want everybody else to be okay. He winked at you, he goes, I'll see you soon. That's
And
good.
he will.
Not that you're going anywhere.
Not right
Just
away.
want to put that out there.